Resistance Training Exercise Demonstration by Brandy Kirkwood. Regular push-ups. It is important to start your push-ups with your toes pointed down and semi-put together. It is important that they are close enough together yet still far enough apart so that you can keep your balance. Next, it is important to have a straight back so that you get the maximum benefits from the exercise. It is equally important to keep your arms shoulder length apart. This not only allows you to keep your balance, but it also allows you to have full range of motion during the exercise. Regular push-up step 2 to 3. When starting your descent downward, it is important to lower your body slowly, making sure to keep your head aligned with your spine. It is equally important to maintain proper body posture, keeping a straight back, making sure not to sag your hips or bend your back. Continue to lower your body to the floor until your chin or chest touches the ground. Once you have completed the downward phase, you will begin to push yourself back up. It is important to continue to maintain good posture and allow yourself to push away from the floor. Once you have completed a full rep, you will repeat until failure or until you have reached the desired number of reps. Front plank. When you first begin your plank, it is important to lay flat on your stomach. Similar to a push-up, it is important to point your toes downward, keeping them close together, but also far enough apart to keep your balance. Next, you want to position your arms in front of you in a bent manner. You want to keep your arms close enough to your torso, but still shoulder width apart to keep adequate balance and support. Plank step 2. Once you get yourself into position, you want to raise yourself up onto your arms and balance on your feet. It is important to maintain straight posture, tightening your torso to avoid sagging. Hold the position for as long as you can, preferably longer than 30 seconds, and then slowly lower yourself back down to the ground. Forward lunge step 1. When getting started for a forward lunge, you want to start standing straight with a straight back. You want your feet to be shoulder width apart so that you maintain your balance. You also want to begin with your arms down at your side. Forward lunge step 2. When you step into your lunge, you want to begin stepping with the leg of your choice. Keep your arms at your side to maintain balance. While slowly stepping forward, use your hips to lower yourself down. Once you reach position, your front and back legs should both be positioned at a 90-degree angle, making sure your forward knee does not exceed the front of your forward toe. It is equally important to maintain balance and a straight back. Once you have finished a forward motion, switch legs and repeat. Once you have lunged both legs, 1 rep is complete and you can proceed with the rest of your reps.